What is preventive maintenance and how to use it effectively? Part 2. Why do you need a preventive maintenance schedule? A preventive maintenance schedule helps you organize and prioritize your maintenance tasks so that a maintenance technician is able to create the best working condition and lifespan for the equipment. By conducting regular preventive maintenance, you can ensure your equipment continues to operate efficiently and safely. Maintaining a preventive maintenance schedule can be very complex when dealing with a lot of equipment, so maintenance personnel often use preventive maintenance software to organize their preventive maintenance tasks. When should I use preventive maintenance? The exact timing of when you should use preventive maintenance will vary depending on the equipment and the operation it is performing. You can follow the manufacturer guidelines to help determine preventive maintenance schedules and inspections so that assets do not run to failure. Creating a preventive maintenance schedule will help ensure proactive maintenance rather than resorting to costly reactive maintenance if the equipment starts to fail unexpectedly.